welcome to Covent Garden. We're going to be seeing how quickly can do the trains go from here at Covent Garden to Leicester Square. We'll do 5 trips in each direction and we'll time it, and we'll take the shortest time and we'll also average them, so you get an average time and the shortest time. First westbound one took 44 seconds at 0.87, and the first eastbound one sort of just come in just now. So our first eastbound trip took 47 seconds and 0.63 milliseconds. So now it's time for our second westbound trip and see how long that takes. The second westbound trip took 49 seconds at 0.4449. The second eastbound trip took 47 seconds, 0.31 microseconds. Now it's time to get the next. Let's do it again, westbound. took us 42 seconds, 0.32 milliseconds to do that. Do Covent Garden to Leicester Square on the third trip, so that currently is our shortest time. That took us 48 seconds and 40 milliseconds to do that, to do it back east. So we've got 2 more round trips and then we're done.
I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
That took us 52 seconds and 63 microseconds to do that trip between those two.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah,
That trip took 45 seconds and 67 microseconds, and we're now heading back east to our final round trip.
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just want.
That journey took us 43 seconds and 98 milliseconds. So one more journey and then we're done. And these two stations are 260 meters apart. So yeah, so there's not a lot of speed you can get up to. Here's quite close.
Wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah.
this one took us 43 seconds and 72 milliseconds. Now trying to calculate how long it took the average one for those directions. And the average speed for the average journey time for the eastbound is 46 seconds and 55 microseconds, and for the westbound is 46 seconds and 66 microseconds.